大家好, amigo Tasik. I'm Brazilian and Spanish. Really glad to be here.
Hey fellows, this is Sheng.
Hi everyone, I'm from Beijing right now.
Hi, I'm Jonathan from Colombia and Canada.
Nice to see everyone here as well. So I'm currently in Singapore.
Hi everyone, my name is Yusuf Azem.
Nice to meet you. My name is Yannick Schilling. I live in Hamburg, Germany.
It is high time that such a program took place to discuss the remarkable achievement of the digital technology in so many areas of our life.
So this year, actually customized to your background of this cohort, we find 5 different topics. Entrepreneurship, science and technology, social welfare, overseas, social good, tech for good, and creativity. This year, we plan to have a China Discovery Tour. We want to invite some fellows to have a visit in China and to have a deep dive into the Chinese tech hubs to understand what China has done in terms of tech for good